Hello students, today we are going to revise lesson 6. In this chapter we will see what type of changes happens around us, and we had explained, we had read this chapter on Google Meet, so I won't explain very deeply. It is just a summary video, so I will just summarize the chapter and we will see the exercises. Okay, so chapter 6, changes around us. We have seen so many different changes around us which can be reversible, and some of them cannot be reversed. The example of, like, uh, uh, folding a paper is a reversible change. If, see example, this is a this is a folded paper. Okay, this is a folded paper. I can refold it and it come into its previous shape, and I can again fold it. So this type of change can be reversible. Reversible change means a change that can reverse to its previous shape, size, or to state form. Okay, like take example of ice. When ice melt, it changes into water. Water can change into ice again, so this change is reversible. Okay, and some changes are not reversible. Some changes are not reversible. If you are seeing here, take this example. If dough, we are rolling a roti, rolling a chapati, if it will not proper, we can make again a dough, we can again make a roll. But if we bake a chapati, it cannot be changed into dough again. Okay, so this is a irreversible change. Okay, so in this chapter there are two types of changes. And take other example, burning of candle. Okay, burning of candle is a reversible change and irreversible both. Burning of the candle, wax which are melting can be changed into wax again, but the uh, cotton which is burning, it is turning into ash. So this change is not, cannot be reversible. Okay, so let's see the exercises of this chapter. Question number first: to walk through a waterlogged area, you usually shorten the length of your dress by folding it. Can this change be reversed? What do you think? This change can be reversed? Yes, this change can be reversed by unfolding the dress. Simple as that. You accidentally dropped your favorite toy and broke it. This change you did not want. Can this change be reversed? If any toys can broke, it can be fixed it with the glue. Okay, in this change, it depends on the broken form. मीन्स कि हाउ, मतलब कितना वो आपका ब्रोक हुआ है. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा है तो इट कैन नॉट बी रिवर्सिबल. इफ इट इज़ अ सम ब्रोकन पार्ट, so we can fix it with a glue. Okay, some changes are listed in the following table. For each change, write in the blank column whether the change can be reversed or not. Okay, here is the columns are given. We will see which change can be reversed and which change cannot be reversed. Okay, or sawing a piece of wood. No, this change cannot be reversed. अगर हमने किसी wood को रेत दिया या काट दिया तो it cannot be come into its previous shape, size or length. Okay, melting of ice candy. Yes, ice candy can be, if it is melting, it can be freeze again. So this change is reversible. Yes. Dissolving sugar in water. Yes. After dissolving the sugar in water, we can find a sugar by evaporation process. Cooking of food. Once the food is cooked, we cannot get a food into its previous form, raw food. So this change is not reversible. Reaping of mango, this change is also not reversible, and souring of milk is also not a reversible change. So this answer will be no. Next, a drawing sheet changes when you draw a picture on it. Can you reverse this change? A folding of paper can be reversible, but the drawing on the sheet, we cannot get back the plain simple sheet again. So this change cannot be reversed. Give example to explain the difference between change that can or cannot be reversed. Okay. Let's see the answer of this. Changes that can be reversed, they get back their previous size or shape after changing. Example, blow into balloon, making paper plain, etc. Okay, these changes can be reversible. Next, changing that cannot be, here will be changes. Okay, changes that cannot be reversed, they do not get back their previous shape, size or form after changing. Burning of paper, cooked food. Okay, these changes are not reversible. Okay, next, a thick coating of paste or of plaster of Paris is applied over the bandage on the fractured bone. This becomes hard on the drying to keep the fractured bone embellished. Can the change in POP be reversed? POP means plaster of Paris. Okay, there is a situation is given. So we have seen the when anybody get a fracture in their bone, so it get plaster, है ना, it get plaster. So after breaking the plaster, after cutting the plaster of Paris can be turned into its previous form. No, it's not. No, the changes in POP cannot be reversed after drying, because when water is added to POP, it reforms in the paste and eventually harden into the solid. Okay, so this change cannot be reversed. Okay, now see next question number 7. A bag of cement lying in the open get wet due to rain during the night. The next day the sun shines brightly. Do you think the changes which have occurred in the cement could be reversed? Again, the changes which has occurred in the cement after rain, it cannot be reversed because cement will contract when it dry after rain. This is what causes cement to harden. Okay, this is the answer of your question number 7. Okay, let's see changes, keywords. Changes, difference in the shape and size and material in object is called changes. A change may occur by heating a substance. Okay, let's see second changes, second keyword, contraction. Contraction means decreasing in size. Okay, a contraction is the act of decreasing the size of something, or it can be the process of becoming smaller or compressed. Example, wet cement contracts after drying. Okay, next is evaporation. We know that The process of changing liquid into gas is called evaporation. Example, water changes into water vapor. Okay. Next, expansion. Expansion means increasing in size or bigger in size. When any substance become bigger or the state of being bigger than before is called expansion. Iron expand when they get warmer. Next, melting. The process of changing solid into liquid by heating is called melting. Ice melt into water. Okay, this is your keywords. Okay, see, you can take a screenshot of this uh, part and write it in your copy. Okay, this is your question number first. You can take a screenshot from here also, so you can complete your work. Okay, so this is your question chapter 6 completed, and the exercises of lesson 6 is also completed. So do your work. Thank you.